Hi everyone, my name is Roberto Coscia. I'm a QA engineer with 6+ years in the tech industry, and today I'm gonna discuss about some very important research that has been made by a PhD candidate in Berkeley University, um, which is basically the replication of the DeepSeek model in a much smaller model and open source as the original one, but with only 1.5 billion parameters. This is a research that really changed everything in the AI industry, the competition arena, and the material that every company competitors have now to race from and create much better models from this. So shout out to this PhD candidate. You can see the code that is stored on GitHub, or everybody can download it and use it. This is the article on X where Ian Pan, which is the researcher that made this model available to everyone, it shows some information and testing of this. You can find here the article where basically it shows the training that this model undergone. It started with training this model on 0.5 billion parameters, which gave reasonable result, but this model really outshined when it has been trained on 1.5 billion parameters. The difference between this and the previous models is that it has been applied here reinforcement learning, and this has been proven to be very really important to make such results. It doesn't really matter the type of reinforcement learning that has been applied, because any type of reinforcement learning gave a similar result. The different one that has been implemented have been the PPO, GRPO, or prime algorithm. But what is really important and make a huge importance in the AI industry is that this model replication costed an investment of only $30, which means if that what you imagine what you can do with much more money of investment, considering a starting point of this model. This brings a big competition throughout different companies, OpenAI, Claude, DeepSeek itself, that can use this research paper or this research outline, because the paper will be coming soon, as a starting point to reflect on what can be done in this year. The open source arena is booming, and this really shows how the potential of the open source and what this year will be bringing in terms of agentic, in terms of how you can perform in a with great performance agents and LLMs, increasing the performance. Some important information to show, as I said, is the training that have been given. As an example, as you can see here, some problems that have been given were mathematical problems, and they really performed very well at the parameters that I just mentioned, with an answer that is correct. Investors have been thinking a lot of this research, as I can read on Reddit, because basically having a replica of the DeepSeek model R1 with such smaller parameters, it tells how investment on closed source model are not necessarily the option to go to, because in a lot of open source models, much smaller, have been able to compete with the leaders that are currently out there, like such as OpenAI, Claude, Anthropic, and DeepSeek. So this is very exciting. I believe that it is the way we should go towards. We should have more and more open source model with the ability to use them for important use cases without paying $200 per month, $500 per month in the case of Devin, which is really insane and worthless, I believe. We should all be able to use this model for free or almost for free. So here you go. I hope this was interesting to you. If you find content of this channel useful, please consider subscribing for more content like this, and also like and share me the idea. What do you think about this piece of research? I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.